It's your boy Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning, man. You know what? I've always been faced with the reality of having to prove myself. And, it is what it is. I have to prove myself in the field when I'm working, prove myself growing up, you know what I'm saying? Just standing up, you know what I'm saying? Standing up for myself, standing up for who I am. And sometimes, people tend to just by nature want to see, they'll test your fiber. And where I come from, you know what I'm saying, growing up in the South, you know what I mean, it was like that. People gonna test your ability to say or to do what you say you would do. You see what I'm saying? So if it come out your mouth, you gotta be able to stand behind it. You know what I'm saying? So I look at the same thing being in the work field, you know what I'm saying, being out here welding, iron work and whatnot. I just stand behind what I do, and I done been around some good journeymen, some good foremen who have showed me the structure of the game. So I know how to carry myself. I know, how to go that extra mile by saying, okay, let's go on and clean this up because it ain't gonna look right. Because some things are just cosmetic. So you got to think outside the box. But when you're dealing with a generation now that they wanted microwaves, so they just want to just hurry up, or or assume, you know what I'm saying, or feel like they know already. um, Man, we got to be able to get to the point where we willing to accept the knowledge, you see what I'm saying, from those who really want it, man. You got to be able to accept it. You got to be able to realize that, okay, if I don't know everything, which you don't know everything, and I don't know everything, someone who has been living longer than us and been doing it longer than us can teach us something. You see what I'm saying? So that's the method that, to me, I think we got to going back to the basics too, because nobody want to do that. Nobody want to teach that. You know what I'm saying? Everybody want to be there like, that, and they ain't gonna work like that. You know what I mean? And as for you changing yourself, me personally, I'm not gonna change who I am. I done had people say, well, you can get more jobs, or you can get this contract, or you can do this if you cut off your chin hair, you take your gold teeth off, you do this, and you straighten up and you tighten up and speak proper. Nah, man, that's not me, bro. I'm a hog, and that's just what it is. You know what I'm saying? And I'm from the South, and this is my culture. Everything about me, you know what I mean? So I'm not gonna switch nothing up about me to get a bag. You know what I mean? The only thing I'm switching up about me is my bad habits. That's it. But as far as what you see, you know what I mean? Just like when you see the Indian man, okay, oh, that's an Indian. This is my culture. So oh, he's from the South. This is my culture. But as far as how I carry myself and how I'm going to leave a legacy for my family, actions speak louder than words. You see what I'm saying? So what you see, you know what I mean? I'm not going to change who I am to get no bag. I'm not finna kiss nobody ass, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to just provide my work ethics, and I know that, you know what I mean, I am who I am. So I'm going to do that, and I know how to speak to people, you know what I'm saying? But as far as me changing my looks, man, nah, I don't care. If you got a problem with how I look, then don't give me the money. I swear somebody else going to hire me, you know what I mean? Because word is getting around, man. Work ethics, work ethics, work ethics, getting it done. You know what I mean? Actions speak louder than words. You know what I mean? If I've been there a week and he been there 3 months, and I indeed showed you more progress in a week, then that should let you know that I might have a little bit more experience, and I'm willing to show you that. So actions speak a little bit louder than words on that end. So all I'm saying is, man, if you are who you say you are, people gonna respect that. It don't matter, you know what I mean, you know what I mean, how you look, you know what I'm saying. Now, I don't mean come up with your pants all down, you just looking. Nah, I'm talking about just, I present myself right. But as far as this and my goal, and how I talk, and that's me. You know what I mean? Me being high nature, you know what I mean? When I get excited, I like to talk. That's how we, are where we from. You know what I mean? We get crunk, we talk. This is what it is. They call it ADHD or whatever they want to call it. You know what I mean? It's what it is. But it had got me through life, and coming from where I'm from, some people want to dumb you down out here and make you, oh, tune it down. You might scare somebody. How are you gonna scare somebody being you? I'm not threatening you. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Why? Because the way I look, I swear I'm humble. I swear I'm humble. You know what I mean? I'm just representing my tribe. You know what I mean? Southeast Arkansas. That's what it is. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna switch it up. I'm gonna be me. So, if I got anything to say to anybody out there, um, doing their thing, man, just do you. Be proper. You know what I mean? But don't switch who you up. You from the South or you from whoever, wherever you do. You know what I mean? If that's who you are, be who you are. You know what I mean? And one thing that I have learned, I respect everybody. You know what I mean? Until you showed me disrespect. So, you know what I mean? I didn't be on the other side. So, you know what I mean? I didn't slip in a barrier with everybody. You see what I'm saying? So, as what people will call the enemy. Area Nation a couple racks down. You know what I'm saying? Bloods a couple racks down, Crips a couple racks down, G's in the middle, Vice Lords on the side, all in one, under one roof. You know what I'm saying? Got to close your eyes. Come on. I mean, I done been there. So, being scared of work ethics or getting out here, that don't fear me. You know what I mean? The only thing I got to lose is life. So I know as long as I wake up another day and I see one, I'm going to give it all I got. So, as far as me switching it up or being intimidated, nah. And I would say the same to anyone out there. You know what I mean? Regardless of where you come from, bro. Regardless of your background. Just switch the game up, man. You know what I mean? And yeah, you got to clean some things up. But as far as being who you are, be who you are. You know what I mean? And to me, I'm a die boss. And that's what it is. You know what I mean? And if you feel the same way, I hope you do the same. Hold on.